Hello everyone, in today's session we are going to discuss spotting errors theory part 3. Let's begin. First of all, read the index, introduction of noun, important rules of noun, use of apostrophe with s. I hope you have understood. Let's see the disclaimer. The images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of the original creators and the owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathee@iitk.ac.in and we shall remove the images. Noun. First of all, read the definition. A noun is a word that refers to a person, place, a thing, a quality, or an activity. So as you know that everything has its identification and that is its name. It is called noun. So in other words, we can say a word which is a reference to somebody or something is noun. So as you can refer what you are wearing, a shirt, what you have in your hand, a mobile or a stylus or a marker. Important rules. Some nouns are always remain in plural form. They take plural verb. These nouns have no singular form. So there are some certain nouns which are used in plural form because they come in pair and the other noun are as they are. They are following: assets, arms, amends, annals, archives, ashes, arrears, athletics, auspicious, species, scissors, trousers, pants, clippers, bellows, gallows, fangs, measles, eyeglasses, goggles, belongings, breeches, bowls, braces, binoculars, drags, earnings, entrails, embers, fetters, fireworks, belongings, longings, lees, odds, outskirts, particulars, proceeds, proceedings, riches, remains, shambles, shears, spectacles, surroundings, tidings, tactics, tongs, vegetables, valuables, wages, etc. So let's talk about means. In the sense of income, means always takes a plural verb. In the sense way to achieve some and means takes singular verb. When a or every is used before means, it is singular. Example, my means were reduced substantially. Here substantially means in a large number or amount. Every means is good if the end is good. Here means is used in a singular form because we have used every before it. Important rules. Some nouns look plural in form but have singular meaning, such nouns take singular verb. These are news, innings, politics, summons, physics, economics, ethics, mechanics, mathematics, measles, mumps, rickets, billiards, droughts. Here some names are of disease and some names are of subjects. So these nouns look plural but they are actually singular and we use singular verb with these. Some nouns look plural but have plural meaning. Some nouns look singular but have plural meaning. Such nouns take plural verbs. These are cattle, clergy, cavalry, infantry, poultry, peasantry, children, gentry, police, etc. So these nouns look singular but actually they are plural and we use plural verb with these. Some nouns are always used in singular. These are uncountable nouns. We should not use article an with such nouns. These are scenery, poetry, furniture, advice, information, hair, language, business, mischief, bread, stationery, crockery, luggage, baggage, postage, knowledge, wastage, money, jewelry, breakage, etc. So these nouns are uncountable nouns and we do not use any article or any determiner with these nouns because they are considered uncountable nouns. And we have to use singular verb with these nouns. We cannot pluralize such nouns by adding es or es. Example, it is incorrect to write sceneries, informations, furnitures, hairs. If hair is used as countable, it can be pluralized. For example, 1 hair, 2 hairs. I need 3 hairs of a black horse. Or okay, you can also say I need 3 strands of hair. Important rules. Some nouns have the same form in singular as well as in plural. For example, deer, fish, crew, family, team, jury, carp, pike, trout, aircraft, council, swan, vermin. Some nouns have plural meaning if a definite numeral adjective is used before them. They are not. Example: pair, score, gross, stone, hundred, dozen, thousand, million, billion, etc. Otherwise, these nouns can be dozens of women, hundreds of people, millions of dollars, scores of shops, many pairs of shoes, thousands, millions, etc. So you can pluralize them by using in these expressions dozens of, hundreds of. If the same noun is repeated after preposition, the noun will be singular. Example: town after town was. So here you have used after, which is a preposition, and before it we have used a noun, and after it we have used a noun as well. So it is in singular form, the before one and the after one. Row upon row of pink marble looks beautiful. Here we have used the preposition upon. Again, row upon row. If a numeral adjective and a fraction are used with the noun is used with the numeral and the noun will be in singular. He gave me 1 rupee and a half. She gave me 2 rupees and a quarter. Important rules. Avoid the following structure. Example: he gave me 1.5 rupee, which is incorrect. She gave me 2.25 rupee, which is incorrect. If the numeral adjective and the fraction refers to the multiplication, the noun be placed in the end after the fraction, and it must be plural. So as you can see that we have used fractions or multiplications before a noun. In this case, noun will be in plural form. Example: your deposit has grown 2.5 times within 2 years. So here we have used times, not time, because we have used 2.5, which is more than 1. My salary has increased 3.25 times within 3 years. Some nouns are known as common gender nouns. They can be used for either sex, male or female. These are called dual gender nouns. Such nouns are teacher, student, child, clerk, candidate, advocate, worker, writer, author, leader, musician, politician, enemy, client, president, person, neighbor, etc. When these are used in singular, use third person singular masculine his pronoun with them. Just take an example. Every candidate should write his but not her name. So here we have to use his instead of her, because we have used a common noun, candidate. So we usually refer to masculine gender, prioritize to masculine gender as well. In B, every person should perform his, not her duty. So here again, person is a common noun and we have used possessive pronoun his. Each, either, everyone, everybody, no one, nobody, neither, anybody are also common gender pronouns. Some nouns are used for specifically for feminine gender, like blonde, maid, midwife, coquette, virgin. Nowadays, nouns bachelor and virgin are being used for masculine and feminine gender as well. Use of apostrophe with s. You can form the possessive case of a singular noun that does not end in s by adding an apostrophe, and as we should use apostrophe in the following situation. Living things, with living things like Mohan's book. So here Mohan is a proper noun and we have used apostrophe s. Things personified, things which are personified as week's holiday, space, time or weight as a day's leave, certain dignified object as the court's orders, at duty's call, familiar phrases as at his wit's end, at a stone's throw. If there are hissing sounds of shors ending a word, use apostrophe without s with such words. For example, for Jesus' sake, for conscience sake, for roses fragrance, etc. It can be noted that if we use apostrophe with s with such words, it couldn't be pronounced well. Use of apostrophe with s. You can form the possessive case of a plural noun that does not end in s by adding an apostrophe and a s, as in the following example. The men's cricket team will play as soon as the women's team is finished. So here we have used apostrophe s. You can form the possessive case of plural noun that does end in s by adding an apostrophe. The concert was interrupted by the dogs barking, the ducks quacking, and the babies squalling. Do not use apostrophe with possessive pronouns like his, hers, yours, mine, ours, its, theirs, etc. Yours faithfully, yours truly, yours, ours garden, his pen, hers purse, theirs room. Use of apostrophe with s. Use apostrophe with the last word in the following titles. Example, Governor General's instructions. Commander-in-Chief's order. My son-in-law's sister. Ram and Son's shop. So these are compound nouns. With the compound nouns, we use apostrophe with the last noun of the word. Do not use double apostrophe, avoid double apostrophe in a sentence. My wife's secretary's mother has expired, which is incorrect. So the correct form is the mother of my wife's secretary has expired. Apostrophe with s is used with anybody, nobody, everybody, somebody, anyone, someone, no one, everyone. In this example, everyone's concern is no one's concern. So here we use apostrophe with everyone and no one. If else is used after these words, use apostrophe with else as per following. I can rely on your words, not somebody else's. So with else, we use apostrophe with else, not with somebody, nobody, anybody. So this is all about this session. Thank you.